The air was crisp and cold, but the sun was shining bright over the slopes of Deer Valley Resort in Park City, Utah.
It was February 26, 2016, and Gwyneth Paltrow was enjoying a family vacation, taking ski lessons to improve her skills.
But little did she know that the day would end in a courtroom battle. Terry Sanderson, a retired optometrist, had also hit the slopes that day, enjoying the fresh powder. But his fun was cut short when he collided with Ms. Paltrow, who he claimed was skiing out of control. The accident was violent, with Mr. Sanderson sustaining a traumatic brain injury and 4 broken ribs, among other serious injuries. He was seeking $300,000 in damages, and Ms. Paltrow was expected to testify in a civil trial in the coming weeks. Gwyneth Paltrow has countersued Terry Sanderson, claiming that he crashed into her while skiing and used her fame to extort millions of dollars from her. The actress is seeking the cost of her lawyer fees. The trial began in Park City on Tuesday, with opening statements from both sides discussing skiing etiquette and celebrity influence. Paltrow, dressed in cream turtleneck and brown slacks, sat with her legal team. The trial is expected to last 2 weeks and will feature testimony from approximately 20 witnesses, including doctors, ski instructors, and Paltrow's children.
According to Paltrow's legal team, the incident occurred while the actress was taking ski lessons with her family on February 26, 2016.
Sanderson allegedly crashed into her from uphill, causing her to suffer a full body blow. Paltrow's lawyer, Stephen W. Owens, stated in his opening statement that she initially thought she was being assaulted when she saw 2 skis appear between her skis and a man comes up right behind her. The two then tumbled over, with Paltrow falling onto Sanderson. Sanderson's lawyers, on the other hand, argue that Paltrow skied out of control and crashed into him from behind while he was downhill from her. A ski instructor who had been training Paltrow allegedly saw that Sanderson was injured and accused him of causing the accident to protect his client, Paltrow. In summary, Paltrow has filed a countersuit against Sanderson, claiming that he caused the accident and used her fame to extort money from her. The trial is expected to last 2 weeks and will involve testimony from various witnesses, including Paltrow's children. The skiing accident that occurred between Gwyneth Paltrow and Terry Sanderson hinges on the issue of skiing etiquette. Both parties have claimed to be the downhill skier, meaning they had the right-of-way on the beginner's slope. Sanderson's legal team argues that Paltrow had a duty to ski safely and was negligent when she struck him from behind, causing him permanent harm. Court documents state that Sanderson suffered from a traumatic brain injury, 4 broken ribs, emotional distress, disfigurement, and other injuries that will continue to affect him in the future. Sanderson's lawyers also accused Paltrow of leaving the scene after the accident and attempting to cover up her involvement. Paltrow claims that she was the downhill skier and that Sanderson was responsible for the collision. Court documents reveal that Sanderson had previously told his doctor that he was blind in his right eye, and his vision in the left eye was declining. Sanderson, who was 69 years old at the time of the accident, held a news conference 3 years later, demanding that Paltrow pay him millions of dollars. During the opening statements, Paltrow's lawyer, Stephen W. Owens, said that medical witnesses would demonstrate that Sanderson's brain damage resulted from a condition he had before the accident. Owens also claimed that Sanderson was aging and obsessed with the lawsuit. The trial is expected to last 2 weeks and will involve testimony from numerous witnesses, including medical experts and ski instructors.